Hi, I'm Mark and you're in my workshop. What I have here is a accessory I just got yesterday from a gentleman in Florida. I came across him on the Harvey Woodworkers Owners group in Facebook. This is a dust collection enhancement shroud for my Harvey Ambassador table saw. I'm going to see how it fits right now. We'll install it and check it out. Yes, I've unplugged my saw. Anytime I put my hands down there, it's unplugged. I think I'm going to take off the saw blade just to give me a little more room to finagle this in there. Perhaps it's not necessary, but it's an easy way to start, seeing I haven't done this before. Well, that's the bottom piece. Easy as that. I didn't have to do much anything. It's pretty apparent how it goes in. This top piece is held in place to that bottom piece by 4 magnets. Okay, there we go. For my first try doing that wasn't so hard. I expect it'll be easy peasy going forward to put that in. I'll bring you in closer to see how this shroud should improve my dust collection. What it's done here is sealed off what otherwise was a big open space into the cabinet, the open cabinet of the saw. So it has blocked off much of that, and with the dust collection port right down in the bottom, it should capture a whole lot more of the sawdust coming off the blade. We'll put the blade back on and give this a go. There's a little bit of sawdust on the threaded arbor that's preventing my nut from spinning freely. I'm going to get a brush and just clean that off. Hold tight. This shroud is made out of plastic, and I imagine it's come from or made from one of those fancy new plastic printers. And it's a very nicely made piece. It looks perfect, without fault. I think we'll run a board through here. I'll leave off the safety shroud just for purposes of seeing what's going on and how much sawdust is flying out. Okay, here's a piece of something or other from the scrap bin. Let's see how it goes. This thing is warped as heck. And in light of that, and I should do this anyhow, is to put the riving knife back in here. That seemed to work really good. There was barely anything coming out of the slot for the saw blade here. I think what I'll do after this is done, after this video's over, I'll clean out the bottom of the cabinets, which usually has a ton of sawdust collecting in it, vacuum all that out, and going forward, I'll keep an eye on that and see how much accumulates there with the new setup, and I'll let you know how that works. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a good day.